Can you feel it? That's the sound of your heartbeat when it's anticipating watching the greatest of them all. And I'm the best to ever do it. Smoove P. Get with it. Subscribe. Comment. Oh Lord, what time is it? Let me turn the news on so I can see what the weather's gonna be like today. Oh shit, I caught it just in time. Hey, Ratchet P news is on. Yes. Good morning. You are now tuned with Ratchet News with Smoove P. And I'm here to let you know that it is cold as fuck. Cold as fuck, bitches. So don't go outside. Y'all. Oh Lord, her wig. Ooh. Her wig today looking real crazy. So, I don't really know what I'm supposed to be reporting today, but as you can see, it's cold, and that cold weather made my wig stiff. Like, duh. Like, I don't even want to come into work today. Like, I don't even know why they got me here. I'm gonna have to definitely Uber it home because my car cannot take this cold weather. Oh boy. But anyway, before I get fired, I just want to let you guys know that it's cold as fuck out there. It's so fucking cold that I couldn't even masturbate this morning. Sorry, I couldn't say my prayers this morning. Damn, girl, is that cold out there? Oh no. But anyway, so we have the news, and according to this map, it says that we're having a polar vortex, whatever the fuck it's called. Make sure I'm seeing this right. I ain't going in today. No sir. Let me call my job. And that is affecting me going outside, making my money move. I cannot make my money move. I'm definitely not going outside looking for no nigga. And it's fucking cold outside, so they could, like, that's a whole dub. But anyway, we're about to, okay, like, relax. Well, my producers are saying that Deadass P is outside freezing her titties off, and she's ready to let y'all know what the feel is outside and the weather. Thank God I'm not out there. Anyway, Deadass P, you ready? What's going on? Y'all tuned in to Deadass P, and I'm out here in the P's in his brick ass. You heard? It's brick. You wanna know how brick it is? It's brick. Brick. It's brick. We tuned in. It's colder than a polar bear's titty out this motherfucker. You heard? It's so cold out this motherfucker. That shit is dead. And you'll be dead too if you brought your ass out here. Don't bring your ass out here. It's a polar vortex, whoever text. It ain't for nobody to be out here. I ain't got no heat. The projects is tripping. And the other day they want to roast the motherfucker. But when it's cold, they ain't got no heat. You can't be Deadass B. Can't be Deadass. One time on the booth. Deadass cold B. It's Deadass cold B. It's Deadass cold B. We in the P's. It's Deadass cold B. It's Deadass cold B. We in the P's. Hello. May I speak to the supervisor? Supervisor, this is Smoove P. And you already know how I am. But the reason I'm calling is because I was looking at the news this morning, and it just so happens to say there's a polar vortex at play. So human to human, I don't think it's being any more than fair than to call you and let you know where I'm coming from. Now, I don't know how you're going to take this, but whether you be cool or come out of a bag on me, you see, it really doesn't make a difference. But I just thought that I'd call you to let you know that my ass is not coming in today. Without this piece, you know what I'm saying? I would not advise anybody to bring their black ass out this motherfucker, because only reason why I'm out here is because I'm trying not to get fired. But guess what? Tomorrow, if it's as cold as the polar bear's pussy out here, you could call him Tyrone, cause I ain't coming. Keep my composure. But anyway, it's dumb cold out here. Ain't even no bums on the street. You heard? These bums don't be even wanting to go to the shelter out here. They not even out here. You see a bum? Cause I don't see one. And on top of that, I ain't seen a fly, a squirrel, a mouse, a rat, or nothing. You wanna know why? Cause they all taking cover. Man down out here. Look at the grass. The grass is dead. You heard? It's so cold, it killed the damn grass. Everything out this motherfucker is dead. I'm dead. I'm so cold, I can't even feel my goddamn toes right now. And they over here in my ear talking about, that ass P, you're going off the script. God damn it, I quit. Time for Brooklyn.